Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tone Setter. Today we're doing a custom V-cut to high top bald fade. Let's get into it. Alright, for a look of what we're working with. Today we're not just cutting, we're bringing back identity. We start with the pick, no rush here. This is prep and respect. Every curl has a memory. You treat it like royalty. The way you start sets the tone for the whole cut. Be intentional, be present. Today, we're switching it up, dropping into a V shape in the back, using the ears as reference points on the side. We want to leave weight in the back for that boxy, bold structure. Give the cut power and polish. With clipper no guard, lever open, go up a ½ inch. This is the base. Think of it as your first stroke on the canvas. From there, fade down and slowly close the lever. You're carving dimensions, not just removing hair. With the number 1 guard, go up another ½ inch. Now we're stacking layers, controlled, clean, and consistent. Pop on the number 3 guard, lever open to close, and fade into the size of the hot top. This sets the foundation for the crown where it all comes together. Drop to the number 2 guard, same motion. Then the 1½ guard. Each guard is a new elevation. Always flick out at the top of the motion. If you feel the vibe, hit that like. Greatly appreciate you. Cut with and against the grain using the number 1½ guard. Think of this as refining. Use corners, stay patient. Don't rush the blend. The fade is where the respect shows up. Pick out the beard, outline the back with the trimmers, and clean under the neck and below bald guide. If you're feeling the vibe, hit that like. Thank you so much. Line up vertical bars, then the front starting in the center. This is the part where the face gets framed. Hot foam with the hot towel. Raise a line up, stretch the skin, keep it natural. Respect the client's natural line, no pushing back. When doing razor lineups, I love seeing that chalky white line after a hot towel. It's like art on skin. Now that the beard is shaped, we'll add a little enhancement, but keep it natural. This ain't theater makeup. Go back in with the razor and hit all the angles one more time for that crispy finish. Pick it out again. Now we're shaping the crown. That hot top isn't just style, it's presence. We're doing freehand shaping, detailed shear work if needed. Every little hair matters now. The detail work is what separates good from great. You take pride in this moment. This is where the cut becomes flawless. Take a look from where we started to this. That's not just a fresh fade, that's a fresh mindset. Barbering is more than clippers and lines. It's care, it's connection, it's community. If this cut spoke to you, like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment, share your story, and pass it on. Someone out there needs this more than you know.